Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to add privacy policy to Wix website. To start this tutorial, open wix.com in your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once you are in Wix, the first step you need to do is to access or click on Pages and Menu. And then in here, you will see the option to click on plus add page. It's a blue button. Once you click on it, a new window will pop up. And then in here, you will click on plus blank page. Once you do that, a blank page should now be added into your website. In here, click on Pages once again. And then on the first part, you can now name this Privacy Policy or Privacy Policy. Then click on Done. In here, you can already see that it's already part of your website. From Home, then Privacy Policy. Once you are here, click on plus add elements, and then you can add your very own texts so that you can input more details in your privacy policy page in your website at Wix. In here, you have the option to edit the themes, the fonts, the font size, everything to make sure that everything is in line with the branding of your page. In here, you can also add any privacy policy according to your website. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.